Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help you learn more about medication lists and how to effectively use them within your practice. A medication list is used to compile a patient's history of their prescriptions and is helpful for medical treatment considerations as well as for referrals. Healthcare practitioners can view current and past prescriptions, dates they were completed, as well as any notable side effects. Medication lists aren't exclusive to a particular profession or specialization, meaning that a variety of healthcare practitioners can take advantage of their features. Commonly, doctors, nurses, psychiatrists, physical therapists, psychologists, and general practitioners will consistently use medication lists. There are many benefits to medication lists, including that practitioners can overview vital information at just one glance. They also serve as efficient reminders of when the patient took a certain prescription. You can also make more informed decisions when it comes to the patient's treatment and therefore produce higher accuracy when it comes to their healthcare solutions. Not only this, but you can elevate clinical outcomes as well as implement preventative measures to ensure that there is no harm. The first step to completing a medication list template is to download it, as self-explanatory as that sounds. Next, the medication list needs to be filled in. This may involve asking your patient what medications they have been prescribed or consulting with medical records. Either way, you should verify the information and ensure that you are the authorized user signing off on that information. Finally, once the medication list is complete for your session, store it securely within a HIPAA-compliant database in order to protect your patient information. Here's an example of a completed medication list. To use medication lists in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab on the left-hand side. Filter by notes and by community to view our entire collection. If you'd like to be specific, type in the keyword medication to find the relevant template. Click on the one you like by selecting the Choose Template icon and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit and customize to your needs, clicking Publish once complete.